我买了一个手机。
Today we'll learn the particle le. The particle le is placed after the verb to indicate the occurrence of an action in a past time and has been completed and ended. After le, we can use numeral measure word or adjective or pronoun plus object.
今天你做什么了？早上我去了我朋友的家。中午你吃了什么？我吃了好吃的面条。下午呢？我买了一个手机，还买了2件衣服。
Today we are going to learn HSK Level 1 Grammar Point, which is the particle le. We use the particle le to express what we did in the past. And we put le after the verb to indicate the occurrence of an action in a past time. And this action has been already completed and ended. After watching the video, let's see the sentence structure and practice. So here's the structure. We put le after the verb, and after le, we use numeral measure word plus object. So here, I give you the verb 买, which means buy. So by what? The numeral measure word is 2件, means 2 pieces. The object is 衣服, means clothing. So 买了2件衣服 means bought 2 pieces of clothing. So let's see the whole sentence. 姐姐买了2件衣服. So we can click the button and listen and repeat. 姐姐买了2件衣服. Okay, now this time, after le, we use adjective plus object. So the verb I give you here is 吃, which means eat. So adjective is 好吃的, means delicious. The object is 面条, means noodles. So 吃了好吃的面条 means ate the delicious noodles. So let's see the whole sentence. 他吃了好吃的面条. Okay, let's listen and repeat. 他吃了好吃的面条. Okay, let's continue. Now this time, after le, we use pronoun plus object. The verb I give you here is 去, means go. So go where? The pronoun is 我朋友, means my friend. The object is 家, means home. So 去了我朋友的家 means went to my friend's home. So let's see the whole sentence. 我去了我朋友的家. Okay, let's listen and repeat. 我去了我朋友的家. All right, now sure you are quite familiar about this construction. Here it is. So read after me. 我买了一个手机. Okay, now you can use this construction to make more sentences and practice by yourself. So keep practicing and make perfect.